If you live in United States and you have no credit score, this video is extremely important for you because in America, no credit is worse than bad credit. Bank don't trust you, landlord rejects you, and simple things become difficult. Today I am going to show you exactly how to build your credit score from zero, step by step, in the simplest way possible. If you are a beginner, a student, a new immigrant, or someone who never used credit before, this video is for you. Let's start. First, let me explain something very clearly. Having no credit means bank have no information about you, no history, no record, no trust. In the United States, trust is everything. That's why building credit is not optional. It's necessary. Now here is the step number 1. You need a starter credit card. If you have no credit, you usually start with a secure credit card or a student credit card. A secure credit card work like this. You deposit some money, for example $300. That amount become your credit limit. You are using the bank system and the bank reports you activity to the credit bureau. This is how your credit journey begins. You only need one card. One is enough. Do not apply for multiple cards. That is a mistake. Now step number 2. This part is very important. You must use your credit card like a debit card, not like free money. Use it for small things, groceries, gas, phone bill. Never use more than 30% of your limit. If your limit is $300, try to stay under $90. And this rule is not negotiable. Always pay the full balance, not the minimum payment. The full amount every single month. That's how responsible people use credit card. Now step number 3. Never miss a payment. Even one missed payment can damage your credit score badly. Payment history is the most important factor in your credit score. The best things you can do is turn on auto pay so you never forget. On time payment build trust, late payment destroy trust. Now step number 4. Be patient. Credit score is not built in 1 month. Usually after 3 months your score appears. After 6 months it improves. After 1 year, you have a strong foundation. Do not close your first credit card. Old account help your score grow. Now let me tell you some common mistake to avoid. Do not apply for many cards. Do not max out your limit. Do not pay only the minimum. And do not close old card too early. Discipline is everything. Let me say that clearly. Building credit in America is actually very simple. One card, small spending, one time payment, and patience. If you follow this step, your credit score will grow automatically. In this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe for simple finance education without confusion, and comment credit score. If you want the next video on how to increase your score faster, I will see you in the next one.